Let's get to the latest in the Murdaugh case now. The court clerk accused of jury tampering in the Alex Murdaugh double murder trial has hired two high-profile South Carolina attorneys. Just this week, Murdaugh's team filing a motion for a new trial, claiming that Rebecca Hill told jurors not to trust him, had private conversations with the jury foreperson, and also pressured jurors to come back with a quick verdict. Let's bring in legal analyst, former federal prosecutor and trial attorney Lis Wiehl live. Lis, thanks for being with us this morning.
You got it, Marky.
So Rebecca Hill hired State Representative Justin Bamberg and also former Assistant U.S. Attorney Will Lewis to represent her. My first question to you, Lis, is that a smart move to hire two high-profile attorneys when she is not facing any criminal charges at this time? It's just a lot of finger-pointing?
Yeah, I think it's a smart move. She's not facing any criminal charges. She's facing losing her job, being ousted from her elected job, and who knows what other kind of sanctions. It's good to get your legal team going. Can I just say, though, Marky, the first frustrating thing about this for the prosecution must be that this is not an error of the evidence that came in, right, at trial.
Yep.
This is what we call, a legal error, a technicality, if she did any of those things. But, the affidavits from the two jurors that they submitted, the defense submitted, are so bizarre, honestly, that they ring true, right? The more bizarre, how can you make this kind of stuff up? So it's going to go to, the judge is going to have to poll these jurors and ask them one by one, were you influenced by what this clerk said? I mean, she allegedly even said to the smokers, you can't have a cigarette break. Really?
Yeah, interesting. And on the heels of now her new book is out, it is kind of interesting. So the jury will be questioned and interviewed. Will that have to happen?
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
That's the only way you can get to it, right? You've only got two of the jurors that are the affidavit, got the affidavit. So you've got to poll the rest of them and say, how were you affected by this? I mean, even if it's true that she said these things, did it have an impact on your vote? Because that's the critical thing. It can't just be any legal technicality or error. It's got to be something that would have affected the acquittal or not, the guilty verdict. Something that the jurors say, yeah, upon reflection, that did bother me. That did have an impact. Or if they just all say, you know what, I blew it off. It had no impact.
So will it just take one of those interviewed jurors then to say, you know what, I did kind of feel influenced? And if they say that, I mean, is it back to a new trial for Alex Murdaugh?
Great question, Marky. That's exactly right. Because, just as the prosecution has the burden beyond a reasonable doubt in the trial, and they've got to get all the jurors, and only one of the jurors, if they move to acquit, will be, a hung jury. Just as that's true. So one of these jurors saying, yeah, you know what, upon reflection, she really did influence my vote. I think then the judge has got to throw out that verdict. Now, he's not going anywhere. He's in prison.
He's in prison, yeah.
That's not going to change. And the evidence itself isn't going to change. That clerk won't be there if there's a new trial, but the evidence should come in just as it came in on the first trial.
Yeah, and she has stayed quiet. I'm curious to see if we continue to see her stay quiet or if she's going to respond to allegations anytime soon. I'm curious what those behind-the-scenes conversations look like with those two attorneys right now. Lis Wiehl, thanks for joining us this morning. Appreciate your time.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.